I own no machine, no land, no shop. Only these hands, and even they are hired out by the hour.
Hi, I'm Jonas from Doing History. Today's topic, the proletariat. The proletariat means the class of wage workers who own little, have no valuable investments, and must sell their labour to survive. In the 19th century, industrialisation created large groups of factory workers, miners, railway workers and urban labourers. Many faced long hours, low wages, dangerous workplaces and insecure housing. These experiences helped workers build unions, cooperatives, newspapers and socialist parties. For Marxists, the proletariat was the class that could challenge capitalism. In the German Empire, workers were not powerless, but they were often excluded socially and politically by employers, officials and conservative elites.